Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the strut on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This one is a 2007 model, but it should be the same from the 2006-7 all the way to 11, I think. And we purchased this one. It's been hit a little bit here on the front and it bent the strut, as you can see right there, and that's the tire. It's a little bit sideways. So today we're going to show you how to remove the strut assembly and how to replace the shock absorber as well. So what you need to do, you need to take the tire off right now, and those tend to get stuck. We have the video how to prevent tires from getting stuck on the wheel hub. Okay guys, first thing that we need to do, as you can see, ours is bent right here. We need to remove that link right here that connects to the strut. So this nut is 17mm and you need to take that one off all the way. And you might need to use a little bit of a deeper socket if needs. And usually those, if they start spinning freely, you can put a wrench on the back so you can hold it and prevent it from spinning. And now you need to get a pry bar and you need to put some pressure there, so that way the link will be released, okay? And you pull it out of the hole and you let go, okay? Just be careful with the brake line right there, not to break or damage the brake line. Next you need to pull the ABS cable out of the holder on the strut right there. So you just pull it to the side. Make sure you don't forget it later to put it on, because otherwise it will rub on the tire and it will damage the wire. Next thing, we'll need to remove these two bolts right here, the nuts all the way. On this side there with 19mm socket and on the back side there with 17mm. And you need to hold them because they usually start spinning. Okay, just take them off. Those, if they're really rusty, you need to spray them with PB Blaster or WD-40. That way they will come loose. This one is in the southern state, so it hasn't seen that much rust yet. And now carefully tap them, but don't damage the bolt. Just to pull it out. Okay, you can see it comes out. And now you can get an extension or a small screwdriver and just tap it out. And it needs to come out. Usually those are really tight fit, that way you will not have play in the front end. Okay, almost there. As you can see, it's a special bolt. And then you need to remove the top one as well. Okay, and now the second one comes out of there. And now the whole hub will move out, but be careful now not to break the brake line or the ABS sensor as well. So now if you want to, you can just put a wire and tighten it somewhere so it doesn't hang like that. Now you need to open the hood, and right here you have 3 bolts with 14mm nuts. So you need to remove all 3 of them, but be careful because the strut will fall after you remove the last one. So one person needs to be holding. Okay, that's the last one. And as you can see, the strut is free now, and all we have to do is just pull it out now. Okay, you can see it comes in an angle like that. And this is the strut assembly, guys. That's how you remove it. And you can see how ours is bent here and it's supposed to be straight. So that was the only problem pretty much with the suspension wise. Those are built pretty good, those Santa Fe's, they're pretty nice vehicles. And now if you buy the strut assembly, you just put it back together the same way we took it apart, but in reverse order. We also have the video how to replace the strut, the spring, and install it on the new strut. So we have the video on our channel, we'll find it in the description below. Thank you guys.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.